Hi, everyone, this is Linda, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will step by step to show you how to create a 24-page booklet called Lennox Riderson in Adobe InDesign. Part 2. First, I will show you how to set grids, guides, rulers and baselines. Next, design the cover page of Lennox Riderson booklet. Now, let's get started. Open the InDesign document from Part 1. So firstly, how to show the rulers. Just Ctrl+R. You can see the ruler appear here. If you want to hide the rulers, just Ctrl+R again. So it will disappear. So Ctrl+R, then show the rule again. So next, if you want to create grids, Ctrl+Abstrophy. So now you can see the grid show here. Ctrl+Abstrophy again. So it will disappear. So to show or hide guides, it's Ctrl+semicolon, disappear. So you can Ctrl+semicolon again. The guides will show it. To create guides, go to Layout. Create guides to add rows and columns to your document. The number of rows and columns numbers is up to you, depending on your design. You can also adjust the gutters to fit your needs. The options here, you can fit the guides to either the margins or the page. Click the preview to review. You can change some if you don't like it. If you're happy with it, just click OK. If you don't like the guide color, want to change it, go to Layout, Ruler Guides, and pick a new color. For example, I like the magenta, and press OK. After that, and go back to Layout, Create Guides, and tick the Remove the existing ruler guides, and OK. And go back again, to create new ones. They will now use the new color you selected. You can arrange your design elements however you like. To set up a baseline grid, go Edit, Preferences, Grids. For example, I want to change to color. Start I want to set to 5. Zero or 0, it's up to you. Relative to, just top of page. Set the baseline grid to match the leading of the body text 12 points. You can change the document grid color which you like it. Everything all good, and click OK. Now, I want to design my cover page. Click the Type tool, shortcut, T. Copy the headline title. And choose a bold font. For example, if I want to change the font size for the cover page title, it needs to be large. You should adjust the font size and leading accordingly. Next, I want to change the text color here. Change any color you like it. Then, I'll write a subheadline. Click the Type tool again. Copy and paste the text here. And adjust the font size as needed. Now, I need to add an image. Click the rectangle frame tool, shortcut, F. And drag a frame where you want to place the image. Go to File, Place. Shortcut, Ctrl+D. Choose your image. If your image doesn't fit the frame, right-click. Go to Fitting, and select Fit Content to Frame. Shortcut, Ctrl+Alt+E. Now you can see your image fits the frame. Next, you can adjust the text. Right-click. Go to Fitting. And select Fit Frame to Content, shortcut, Ctrl+Alt+C. If needed, reduce the size. Click the preview window to see the changes, or press W for preview mode. To enter presentation mode, press Shift+W. Click the icon to return to normal mode. To hide the guides, press Ctrl+semicolon. Now you can see the simple cover page is complete. Since I only want a single page, go to the Pages panel, and delete the other side page. Now, we have designed the cover page as a single page. If you're not happy with it, You can keep making adjustments. Add a logo at the top. Finally, let's save and export. Go to File. To export, press Ctrl+E. Choose JPEG format. Select the location. Click Save. And then click Export. That's the cover page design. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you in the next video.